beat the hell out of him. I said that, and I said, send me your president. Now me your president. Me your president.
It's a hypothetical statement.
Yeah, me your president. And when I say beat out the head out of him, and no idea that stupid Suhuni takes it to what? Because we're stupid.
Oh,
we're member before we are come. So don't even annoy me telling me so a member. Please, more pet any pa or best say Ghana. Some journalists.
Yeah.
Some journalists.
Very specific.
Almost forced reportage.
Some journalists.
Especially Joy FM. The way they are taking this country. NDC for say. Almost survey. Buntie. Nyawea. Akwa. Way propaganda no akojina hoye or parliament suhini no. Almost survey. Ghana frontier ni. Almost survey. Almost say. About 68% of Ghanaian youth, both NDC and PP, supports me. They believe in me. And me contest this year, me win it. Me beat Mahama. Man contested, Obia me support to be win against Mahama. So they have to discredit me. Now I'm try somebody. Akwabi NDC ni ba ko catch up say, eh, who try say akwan the oba destroy no dia. Enye. So the result they said, Umbe Yusu Captain Smart, any Abeiku Santana, also to win the youth.
Captain Smart.
Only credibility, or better than when you're youth. Maybe artificial, maybe natural. I do things out of love. I do things out of love. I am not pretending. It's me. Send me things out of love. We are DNA Mecca. I criticize my own party. I criticize NDC. Yes, into me will be criticizing me and having. The mom saw the catch and say, may you charge me treason. Prosecutor, you should be ashamed of yourself. You want my death now? Uber before me.
Captain Smart in Okuta Tower studio.
No. Maybe I don't want to talk about him. But I want to state it categorically. I didn't mean what I said. Indeed, they can't capitalize on it. Ghanaians should push them to apologize.
Yeah.
They call American embassy. Now send come apology letter. It was. Yes.
And Washington.
What you say? What they call Washington? They call Monfa apology letter to Washington D.C. Say you've caused death because of false reportage. Oh my yes, I maybe do back court. Joy FM for me do back court. And if you want, we display cash. Take 10 lawyers. I'll bring 20 lawyers. Take your fake journalist. I'll bring truthful journalist to come and face you. A true one, Amudi. And I'm on person who intimidating Kennedy Agyapong. I come a Casabua show. Mekanukure akosi ada mekame sebumbo. Anything that will benefit this country, anything that will benefit the youth of Ghana, I stand to die for them. Because maybe this is the one. Country activist was killed for making government unpopular. June 29, 2021, 3 a.m. And so called Joy, any. Now, when you come here, no catch yourself. He further added that it was unfair. The actions of the police in portraying Kaka's brother as the murderer when they are yet to provide any solid evidence to back same claim. Would you point a finger at Kaka's brother as the murderer? Who see they don't have concrete evidence, so they have to wait. Did you have concrete evidence to say fix the country activists killed for making government unpopular? Joy FM should be ashamed of yourself. Should be ashamed of yourself. And I'm officer Ghana there was an NDC MP who told me say no free windy baneba. Now Joy for no man you say and now brofo mu kanti and then neya for mu time. The MP was so pissed. I go for him say. Joy, evil things, what you are doing, you want to destroy this peaceful country. And I'm surprised the whole country, nobody is talking about statement omu make here social media how they incited the youth of Ejura to take the law into their own hands. And now false reportage, 2 people have died. One boy, his leg has been amputated. Others, our hospital, Muamu record, Muamu say, any past 6 and April. Because of false reportage. Namumutiano, time in Amindi, I can take Joy FM to court easily for the false reportage that caused the death of 2 people plus 2 serious injured Ejura people. Namumum, Monyadaji, Edimiko privileges, and that damn MP. Why your propaganda? Or the free radio go, and what do you call Emra? Ghana for Mutie, Munko Joy FM say, I green papa na woman trim, and that woman air can cry. I didn't know my dility woman in your cram. Mufisa, we are smart. I paid a lot of money to take care of my children. Education, good education. You dumb. Don't see a eating in Abba. Oma deleting in Abba. You see, I have all of them here. Most of we are smart. I've educated my kids. Simple. They just brought everything out. Question 2. Obia wotie me ne say. I don't think I Joy FM. Monimu some reportage no. Eya papa no modility. We want Ghanaians to know because we are going to go through this. All the things they've said. Omu accuse MPP government. Emma Emrantia. I believe in them to go and take arms.
Great. Yanken kakra na.
Mami commentary you and
Okay.
So, so nimwa 48 hours. And a journalist Koka will Rwanda say kill them like cockroaches. 48 hours. Over 800 people died. Joy FM4 untie ni ye. Ghana for mutie me muntie ni ye. Mimi Joy FM4 why ne pe Ghana ye. The investment I've made in this country because it won't be big da and we also are exposed, you know. I've been advised to cool down. Yeah, I'm exposed straight away. Mimi busuani, nyami busuani die and I'm called GO at the radio station. I built this myself out of sweat. I'm warning. See Jones Otiasi Omui. Who the abonye mistake? Sabumbe gubi many masi. When you illegal deals, and I'm on the 30 radio station, ube gubi many masi. Now I even got to know today. Say, who lines is na mu use GBC for there.
Yeah, that's GBC.
And the other man, Dr. Chu,
license.
GBC.
Yeah.
Please don't even try me. Boninu amu pesa mudi. Why you say Ugu MPB? Ghana and Ugu. And those politicians, Oma Koshechire, fake journalists, Oma Jim Konfusi Komundi Die, Koma commentary. Yankupong Yenina, and Ghana. Yabesha, who speaks the truth, who thinks of the country, who loves it. Umayweni Memeka Achiramo. Now, see, any leader who is not criticized by his own people means he's not doing something right. Enti omo mukotna sa lawyer na wa bon bibribenu.
Oh is that?
Joy FM lawyer.
Something like that.
Wa bon. Opa me yi na yi ama o. Mini senya hose ni argument
na. Ono ni say we say case na.
Wa bon. Na we hwan. We hwan. Obi a wo yi adwuma wo media house bia wo Ghana me I can pay you unim so ni adwuma papa ya wo de bra I'll pay you 5 times what you make if you polish my shoe something like bra wo polish my shoe kura wo benya adwen papa for Ghana common shoe of Kennedy Agyapong will give you common sense and how the a debate so why you being say wo be say Ghana Morning, Kwaku Bako. Oh, who sabe Kasebim? A corrupt journalist like you, Kwaku Bako. Who ba Kasebim? I have a video here. Why am I show?
Debbie. Sa video yi.
Okubako. Me Kennedy Agyapong de minzro wo. You can use your media. Now radio station we need TV station. And go for mokwa build a radio station and see how much it costs. Wabetra render me useless. Excuse me. Give me a break. I'm see Akwabako can say me. Defense and interior. Now even free defense and interior. Main course na me ana. Main course na me ask the members. Leadership qualities. Media baho. Ask. Now you know politics who do unko shema you should accept say obi abetimi akabi. Na mumu kwatre wonim. Omo reason omo de call news far ekoye dede nyina no. On Friday. Omo de whatever ayo matro come American embassy or 24 ni nyina koto ho. Omo platform. And confo di false reportage from Joy FM. They have to be careful. And read my lips. Me catch them say, my boss, my contact obaha, and him bekasa catch me plain. And then me come on Matias here, Joy FM. Adi amu ye nyina. Mo say MPP for and show mu ye. Inti mo be sabotage you. Eba bo mu triso. U boss na ne kai. Owner of the business. Catch them me plain say, Joy FM for say MPP for show mu. Inti omu be sabotage you. Tell your boss if I'm lying. Now me tell some my officer no buy. He told me. Me I told Gabi and the rest Joy FM4 complaining. But I met Joy FM4 and what Gabi fee. Edian nam kweo. Edian nam kweo. You want to destroy the nation. Now this boy should be beaten seriously. It's so annoying. Some journalists answers Obama should beat the hell out of him. Me a president as I me a gua boy whipper. And the media we are above the law. You are not above the law. Because obi akukum. And you go and report say, well, you fix the country activist. And or you see word mob. Mob and akukum. What do you gain? And then nipa mienu say nti nipa miensa and ewu. Joy FM. You should be ashamed of yourself. Obi enti me catch them. Me catch him straight. Munyo bia. Me chira mbe yo gabi fi o mo kwede. Gabi fi o mo kwede. Mo kwede. Please, and you got nerves to criticize politicians? You are and I'm a kind ya.